Hey, good morning, Wolf Pilot fans. I'm out here at Corsicana, KCRS, and I apologize for the wind noise, but we're at Airplanes and Coffee, which was punted a week due to bad weather. I'm gonna pan up, pan around, and I'm wearing 3 layers, folks. The wind is gusty as hell. And but we flew up here with Paul Williamson and 70 Papa, the Comanche 260. So, gotta, you know, there's people that make airplanes and coffee, and if I keep looking at the wrong corner, see the camera's actually right there. But we got Mike Roberts and we got Tony.
Good. How are you? I just left you a voicemail about 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, I know, and I got the voicemail. Well, I didn't have the phone attached to the Bluetooth in the headset, but 44 Tango, we're going to fly that. Steve kind of ixnayed that right there because it was sketchy. It was snowing.
Well, how'd you get here? Did you drove?
No, 70 Papa.
Oh,
you
okay.
don't recognize Paul's Comanche?
I do.
Yeah.
Oh,
So we flew
you
the Comanche.
got the landing gear fixed up now, right?
Yeah, it renewed the landing gear. He bought a new batch of Hope because the landing gear's made of dried spaghetti and Hope. And after the landing
on
here,
I think somewhere.
well, he added some more hope to it, so
good,
he's even more hopeful that it'll actually
Where is
survive.
Steve at? Or not Steve,
Yeah, Paul, he did what? I guess he went over that way somewhere.
All right.
So anyhow, let's go inside.
We're glad you made it.
Well, I'm
Still in one
representing.
piece. Looking at you. Okay.
Let's see how many layers I can unzip here.
Did you land on the grass?
No, well, when you have a landing gear made of Hope, and of course, you know, here we go. We got, just so you know, Airplanes and Coffee.
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, I wasn't gonna, you know, after being punted, this just reminds me of the Lancaster.
I think the Bonanza, this guy, what the hell's his name again? But he's the only other one I've seen land on the pavement. Everybody else has been coming in on the grass.
Well, Paul.
020, the wind's coming right down the runway. There is a little issue with power lines right at the threshold. So watch out for that.
Yeah, and let's see if I can go through the back here. Oh, well, I got moisture on my camera. I'll see if I get a view. You can see the windsock kind of in the. Oh, I can't zoom. But you see the windsock is pretty much straight out. It's awesome. So I need to go find some coffee and a few donuts.
Yeah, I would do that if I was you.
We'll walk around and be able to see all 3 planes that actually showed up this weekend.
Fade in from black right here.
So you can kind of see everyone here, Corsicana, the Airplanes and Coffee crew. We're all gathered out here because there's some very important pilots, VIPs, that are about to show up in some very impressive planes. So it's a VIP in a VIP. And these very impressive planes burn Jet A, and they visited us before, and they fly very, very fast, and they're very, very loud, and very, very cool. So they are due here any second now. Kind of like that scene in Hot Shots. They're looking for Topper. Where is he? Everybody see him? And then a fuselage just drops out of the sky. So anyway, the ceilings, I'm not sure exactly what the ceilings are. I haven't checked the METAR in the last few minutes, but they look a little bit low. Anyway, stand by. Here we go.
Airplanes and Coffee, baby. Corsicana. Look at the crew.